Well, what we're working on here today is a natural boulder wall. I think someone that would do well in this field is someone with a natural creativity and someone who enjoys nature. What I like about what I do is really the finished product. And when I take something that looks terrible and make it look absolutely beautiful where friends and family can come and enjoy that with you in your own home, what is a better feeling than that? This program has so much to offer you that you can find your niche in the program and use the other learning to build on what you want to do. When I graduated, I went to work for the Botanical Gardens, which continued my education right there hand in hand with the NWTC, because having the Botanical Gardens as part of your campus is the best experience you could ever hope for.